Hey team, this is Steve. I just want to show you how to set an appointment, as well as how managers will check the customer out or mark it as shown. It's a little bit different than dealer socket, so I'll go over step by step. So as a salesperson, what you're going to do is find the customer you want to set the appointment for. This is the customer card here, as everyone knows. And then you're going to click on appointment to set the appointment. I'm going to set an appointment for today at, let's say, 2 o'clock. Hit save. So when you come back in here, the customer shows, you set the appointment, the customer shows up, you're going to come and find the customer again. You're going to come over here and check in the customer. This is what the salesperson would do, check in the customer. And when you're done with the deal, customer leaves, you'll go tell your manager and they'll check the customer out by clicking here. And they'll put notes in, gave numbers, still thinking, or delivered. Whatever the message needs to be. And they're going to check the customer out. That's important because you're getting paid on appointments. The only customers that you're going to get credit for are customers that are checked out. That's how your managers verify now. Before they would just verify the appointment or complete the appointment. This is how they complete it, is by checking the customer out. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know.